अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो एफपीएससी का असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर का पेपर था बैच 1 का, उसको हम सॉल्व आउट करते हैं। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज जो था, द डिबेट वाज डैश द फॉलोइंग वीक adjourned टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्पेलिंग्स आर करेक्ट, AGGRANDIZE। व्हेन इट कम्स टू बैक स्टैबिंग, a quill dash p dash then a dagger। तो फर्स्ट में मेम आना था और दूसरे में शापर आना था। अच्छा, हैव यू एवर बीन, इसमें हैव आना था एमसीक्यूज नंबर 4 में। द इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिस्ट इज नॉट विलिंग टू रिवील द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ हर इंफॉर्मेंट, चूज द करेक्ट सिनोनियम फॉर द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स। तो जो 6 था इसका सिनोनियम था लव ऑफ आर्ट, 7 का था जी फ्राइडफुल, 8 का था जी लेमेंट, 9 का था जी डिसकंटिन्यू और 10 का था जी एंगर। उसके बाद है चूज द करेक्ट एंटोनियम फॉर द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स। तो 11 का था जी सिविल, और 12 का था जी कंप्लियंस, 13 का था जी सूथ, और 14 का था जी कंडीशनल, 15 का था जी अबंडेंस। चूज द एग्जैक्ट प्रपोजिशन। आई एम ग्लैड डैश यू सक्सेस, आई एम ग्लैड ऑफ यू सक्सेस। The whole nation was that the president behind the president. We trust dash one God. We trust in one God. Nia is traveling dash the school towards the school. As dash me, I will be happy dash lend a hand. फर्स्ट में फॉर और सेकंड में टू। अब मैथ पोर्शन स्टार्ट होने लगा है कि वो कहते हैं कि हमारे पास 88 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 42 है प्लस 16 है। इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इसका एमसीक्यूज का जो आंसर था 361 था। द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 5 डिजिट बीइंग विद 3 एंड एंडिंग विद 5। इसका करेक्ट आंसर सी था। हाउ मैनी नंबर्स अप टू हंड्रेड्स आर डिवाइडेबल। इसको आंसर ए था 14। The sum of consecutive number is given. What is the difference between the first and third number? इसका आंसर था जी सी। What number has to add it to each term of 3:5 to make the ratio 5:6? इसका आंसर था 7। The ratio of ages of two students is 3:2. One is older than the other by the 5 year. What is the age of the younger student? इसका आंसर था जी 10 years. The mean prepositions of 0.25 and 0.04 is 0.1. The ratio of A's and B's salary is 9:4. If A's salary is increased by 15%, then his total salary become 5,175. What is the salary of B? 2,000. How is the 1/2% expressed as a decimal fraction? 0.005. In an examination, 65% of the total examinees pass if the number of failure is 420. The total number of examinees is 1200. 9% of 64 plus 32% of 90 is equal to 34.65. In 1 kg mixture of sand and iron, 20% is iron. How much sand should be added to that proportion of irons become 10%? 1 kg. The mean of 100 times was found to be 30. If at the time of calculation 2 items were wrongly taken as 32 and 12 instead of 23 and 11, the correct mean is 29.9. If the arithmetic means of the number 6 is 45, what is the total sum of these number? None of these. In class of 52 students, the number of boys is 2 less than the number of the girls. Average weight of the boys is 42, while the average weight of the all student is 40 kg. Approximately, what is the average weight of the girls? 38 kg. The average of 7 consecutive number is 20. The largest number is 23. What is the greatest possible length of a scale that can be used to measure the exactly length? 3m, 5m, 10 cm and 12m, 90 cm, 30 cm. What is the least number to add it to 631 to make it perfect square? 45. Exact answer. The age of Pakistan is 74 years. If a multiplied by b is equal to 2a plus 3b, then the value of a multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 is 31 is the correct answer था। उसके बाद करंट अफेयर का जो पोर्शन था उसमें हम देखते हैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर पाकिस्तान Imran Khan reached in Moscow for 2 days official visit of Russia on A option Feb 23, 2022. In August 2021, China inaugurated a new trade route via ship, road, and rails through Myanmar's Tokyo Olympics held on July 23, 2021. The European Union is set to become the largest economic bloc in the world to complete the sale of Conventional Cars by Lebenda 2035. What is the name of telescope which is sent to space on December 24, 2021? James Webb Space Telescope. Winter Olympics 2022 was opened on Feb 4. When did Israel open embassy in United Arab Emirates? July 2021. Current UN Secretary General re-elected for the second term in June 2021. How long is the term? 5 years. In March 2021, ship blocked the Suez Canal for 6 years. What was the name of ship ever given? In January, Samia Suluhu Hassan became the first woman president of which country? Tanzania. Brexit came into force after a year of wrangling on Jan 1, 2021. The Nobel Prize for the Literature was awarded to the novelist Abdulrazak Gurnah of Tanzania, who claims the responsibility of attack near the Abu Dhabi main airport on January 17, 2022. Yemen Houthis. In September, a trilateral security partnership was announced between USA, UK, and Australia to provide Australia with nuclear power submarines in the Asian Pacific region, which is styled as AUKUS. Which country president is the chairman of the African Union? Is Senegal. Who is the first prime minister of Tunis? Saad Aragbi, Halima Kanai, or Najla Burden? Option C is the correct. Famous playback singer Lata Mangesh died in the Mumbai at the age of 92 on Feb 2022. Russia voted in December 2021 a first of its kind UN Security Council resolution casting the climate change as a threat to international peace and stability. In September 2059 MCQs, NASA collected first ever piece of rock from Mars by Kelsey's space probe named Perseverance. Which team is winner of the 7th edition of Pakistan Super League? Lahore Qalandar. अब हैं जी पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स एंड इस्लामियात पोर्शन 20 marks का. Father of Pakistan nuclear bomb name is Aqib Khan. Which country officially accepted Pakistan after Indonesia? Iran. Pakistan got its first constitution in 1956 when Constituent Assembly of Pakistan adopted objective resolutions 12 March 1949. Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra, Prime Minister of Pakistan? What should be the minimum age of President of Pakistan? 45 years. Pakistan official language in 1956 constitution was both Urdu and Bengali. Who abrogated 1956 constitution? Sikandar Mirza. 1962 constitution gave the unlimited authority to the president. Prime Minister Z.A. Bhutto, Zulfikar Bhutto gave the 1973 constitution on 4 August. Which surah of Quran has Bismillah twice? Al-Naml. In Surah Kaf, which animal is mentioned along with the Ashab Kaf? Dog. The Battle of Yarmouk was fought between Muslim and Romans. Baitul Ma'mur is on heaven's seventh. Abul Hakim is the title of Abu Jahl, king of tore away the letter of Prophet, peace be upon him. Iran. Rara means a cat. Daughter of Hazrat Umar, who married to the Prophet, peace be upon him, was Hazrat Hafsa. Subject of Holy Quran is human. The funeral prayer namaz-e-janaza is farz-e-kafaya. Security measures. Which federal minister controls airport security? Ministry of Aviation's airport security headquarters is located in Karachi. CCTV cameras are used for a security tool. Whoever knowing giving or cast to given a false alarm of fire to the fire brigade car can be punished with any or both above. According to ASF Act 1975, Director General has the power to make the regulation regarding the ASF true. Airport security is in charge of security in case of act unlawful interference or threats such as interference. All of these the federal government can delegate his power under the ASF Act 1975 to Director General. ASF the federal government can delegate of all his power under the ASF Act 1975 to the Director General is the power to make the rules. Which of the following include government strategies? All of these. 90 का है जी कस्टम स्टाफ और 91 का है जी हमारे पास फॉल्स. 92 का स्टेट टेररिज्म, 93 का है 2 मंथ, 94 का है एयर सर्विस, 95 का है जी एनक्रिप्शंस, 96 का है जी पाकिस्तान आर्मी एक्ट, 97 है जी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी एंड पुलिस कंप्लेंट कमीशंस, 98 ऑल ऑफ दीज. और 99 3 मंथ्स और 100 हमारे पास है जी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस। तो ये हमारे पास थे जी ASF के जो आज पेपर हुआ था उसके एग्जैक्ट एंड कंप्लीट MCQs। इसके अलावा किसी भी पोस्ट की तैयारी के लिए या फिर उनके पेपर्स के एग्जैक्ट MCQs के आंसर के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मज़ीद वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके। अल्लाह हाफिज़।